Yes! Yes!
Life removal complete.
Lost the... Lost a teammate!
The point is, if you want to hit curb slides consistently off tall ledges, you need to find a way to hug that wall as much as possible as you're falling before you slide. You almost want to think of every ledge as having like a tiny little off-ramp connected to it. To hit a curb slide, you not only have to perfectly time that crouch, you also have to perfectly position your Spartan so that the slide is even possible in the first place.
Shall I call for cleanup? Diminishing.